Hey guys, welcome to my weekly review and market expectation. Today's Sunday, May 19th, and today we are revising the trades I took last week. We'll also talk a little bit about last COT report data and what I expect for the following week. Okay. Our plan last week was to look for a buy on Euro, and yeah, the rules are the same. One are as risk for all trades and a max of 3 trades per week. So let's jump to the charts and check it out. So yeah, this week I took 2 trades, only one after CPI and a clean 1 to 2, as you guys can see here. This candle here was CPI, and right after that I entered on this fair value gap and put my stop loss below this low, I guess, or this low, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, target 2R pretty clean. And yeah, the other trade was a buy here. I was using as entry um, this daily fair value gap, and yeah, this 4 hour fair value gap actually here. So I entered on the on the gap here, on the order block here, and my stop loss was, I think, below here or here, but I ended up closing it at break even. As you guys can see, a little bit more than break even, but basically break even. And on Friday we had this big move down, and then I could have catch this move up, but I wasn't on the desk at the time, so no hard no foul. Plus 2 hour week, very good, very happy with it. So yeah, let's jump to the expectation for next week. So let's see what happened with the dollar. Well, first of all, COT. We can see that the banks increased their short position last week. So that could indicate that we are still going to see higher prices. Yeah, but basically they reduce their exposure on the long side, but they're still holding a majority, a more bearish position. So that could indicate that we're still going to run up a little bit more on the dollar. But last week we had this big massive candle on the price action side of the things. We traded back into this order block and rejected pretty hardly. As you guys can see, on Tuesday, we had this manipulation event here. That was the news I commented last week. And then we had CPI that was pretty bearish. But on Thursday, we did close within this gap range. I'm still bearish, and I'm looking to target this liquidity here as a target. Um, I imagine that people that are holding through this move down will probably take some partials here, and yeah, maybe this could be a good reversal point. Or if we have a closing day above this fair value gap, that would also indicate to me that we are done with the bearishness, and we are probably going to still have bullish moves on dollar. And if you see the narrative, we are currently having a narrative that the Fed are going to cut rates, and the news are also coming a little bit lighter than expected. So this is slowing down a little bit the bullish trend. But if everyone is expecting that dollar is going to go lower, uh, that means that there's a big chance that we are going to go higher, because the law in the market is that the majority of people needs to lose, right? So if retail thinks it's going down, probably it's going up. But yeah, that said, I'm still bearish because we are still having bearish movements, and we are still respecting bearish PDRAs. But I'm very conscious that this could just be a fade move. Yeah, so let's take a look at the euro. So euro, we had a good increase on the short position. So the banks are overall short on euro, and they have massively increased their position on the last week. So if they are selling all throughout here, we can expect further higher moves for euro. And I would expect at least that we take this liquidity, but more uh, a more extended target would be this short-term high here. But I'm still looking for buys on euro, and I'm especially looking for this gap here that we had open last week. And as we didn't take the previous week high on Friday, we basically accumulated within the week's range. I am expecting that Monday and Tuesday we probably will trade within the range. Maybe take this some liquidity down here, this low probably, and then trade higher to take people that are seeing this as a double top. And yeah, I would like to trade against these people. Same thing on the pound. The pound is actually looking a little bit more cleaner to me. We have this gap that wasn't traded really into yet. So I'm really expecting to see a holding back on the beginning of the week until we trade into this gap, maybe touching this high here, this zone, and then targeting this short-term high that is now a relative equal high. And I want to pair the orders with people that are shorting here right now, so I want to squeeze them out. And yeah, that would be my main plan for this week. Um, yeah, GBP we also had, if you guys can see here, on the British pound, we are overall, the banks are overall bullish, but they they decreased a lot their position, so they are shorting, actually shorting and reducing their long exposure. So we could also expect higher prices. And overall, if you see like the monthly and weekly charts, we have more of a bullish trend on the pound, like we were going up. We have all this liquidity here. We actually had this. Yeah, but we also could expect that we had a run here of liquidity, quick rejection after breaking this structure here. And then we broke this down, and now we are probably seeking for internal range liquidity. So I would look for this to be taken, and maybe we have a reversal on the future. Yeah, so let's check the news so I can plan my week. Monday we don't have really big news. We just have big news on Wednesday. We have FOMC minutes and CPI on GBP. I'm not really trading that. It's too early for me. Also not trading that. Thursday we have PMI and unemployment claims. That's good. And Friday we have retail sales and the revised consumer sentiment. That's also good. So yeah, I'm expecting the beginning of the week to be more of a consolidation on Monday and Tuesday. Maybe some manipulation happening on Wednesday with a possible reversal on the FOMC minutes, and then on Thursday we get a continuation all the way through Friday. Or that would happen if we consolidate on Monday and we trade it lower, then I would expect a reversal higher on Wednesday, so we can target this liquidity. If this liquidity gets targeted on the beginning of the week, so Monday and Tuesday we trade higher, then I would expect actually a reversal down. I don't think we are really going that up, so that would be like taking this low here, and then after we take this low, I'm probably either get out, or if we have an opportunity to buy the dollar against some other currency, I would probably look for a buy. Yeah, that's my plan for the week. So basically, just repeating here. So in case we have a continuation on Monday, I'll if we have a continuation taking this sell side on the beginning of the week, I would expect a reversal on Wednesday and a retracement on the end of the week. So basically, I would like to buy the dollar on the end of the week and sell on Tuesday. If we have the other way around, if we consolidate on Monday, trade higher Tuesday, take this high, and then have a reversal on Wednesday, Thursday, I would like to trade Thursday and Friday targeting this low. So basically, I want to target this low either way. And yeah, that's it. I won't fade this move. I won't buy here. That's not, I'm not doing that. Here, I'll only short the dollar. And yeah, that's it. We can see that we just hit the 50% level on this short term move here. So yeah, that could also be a point where we see some move up, but I am very confident that we are going to take this low because we have some we probably have some big liquidity here because people that are in this move probably move their stop here, and also people want to buy here. If I was a buyer, I would probably want to buy here. So below this low, below 50% discount level. Yeah, also on this range here of accumulation, they accumulated here. Here's also a good range of accumulation. So all of this, and yeah, so here also. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's my plan. Thank you guys one more time for tuning in, and hope you guys can can take any knowledge from it. And I hope you guys also keep watching. Leave a like, comment if you want to ask something, and if you have also a comment, just leave it down below. And that's it. See you guys next week. Until now, I am plus 12% or 11% on my account. I'm currently. This is my account that I'm currently tracking on. It's a paper trading account. I guess you guys already have seen this. And basically, I started with a 25k balance, and I'm currently with 28k balance. So basically, 11%, 12%, I think, 12%. Yeah, 3k, 12%. And yeah, that's it. Basically, my hit is to my target is 13%. So I'm very close to it. And yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time.